Hey there, it's Friday afternoon and just wanted to give you an Anvil Mountain update. A lot to go through here, so we'll just start with the front. And we're putting on metal around the front door. So just mixing up the orientation there. And going inside, we have tile, a black slate tile on the entryway. And that came out real nice. We still got to grout it, and that's where the pellet stove's going to go. And then moving over here, these are all the window sills. They sit right here in all the windows, and they're also looking really good. They're all clear coated, 3 coats of clear coat. And so moving on to downstairs bathroom. We've got the floor tile in the downstairs bath. We've got the red guard, which is a waterproofing membrane. That's the pre-tile for the downstairs bath. And going upstairs, we have the tile, the floor tile in the bathroom. And man, oh man, pretty fancy. Double vanities going right there. And we also have the upstairs bath red guarded, ready for tile. So that's the update. Thanks for watching. And as always, we'll finish out with a beautiful view from one of the windows. Over and out.